Welcome to the Power Project. In this tutorial, we'll guide you through planning, running, and following up on professional meetings using Microsoft Teams. Organizing a meeting in Microsoft Teams is a straightforward process that helps you connect with your colleagues, partners, or clients. Let's walk through the steps. First, open the Microsoft Teams application. On the left-hand side of your screen, you will see a vertical menu. Click on the Calendar icon. This will open your Teams calendar, showing all your scheduled meetings. To create a new one, look for the New Meeting button at the top right corner of the screen and click it. A new window will appear where you can enter the meeting details. Start by adding a clear and descriptive title for your meeting. Next, in the Add Required Attendees field, type the names or email addresses of the people who need to be there. Now, select the date and time for your meeting. If this is a recurring meeting, you can set a schedule, such as daily or weekly. Then, you can add a description or an agenda in the large text box to let everyone know the purpose of the meeting. Once you have filled in all the details, click the Send button. This will send an invitation to everyone you've invited and add the meeting to their calendars. Joining a meeting in Microsoft Teams is just as easy as creating one. You can join from your computer or mobile device in several ways. The most common way is from your Teams calendar. Open Teams and navigate to your calendar by clicking the icon on the left. Find the meeting you want to join and click on it. A button labeled Join will be visible. Click it to enter the meeting. You can also join directly from an email invitation. Open the meeting invitation in your email client, and you will see a link that says, "Click here to join the meeting." Clicking this link will open the meeting in Teams. If a meeting has already started and it's part of a Teams channel, you can go to that channel, and you will see a banner indicating that a meeting is in progress. Simply click the Join button on that banner. Or, if you receive a meeting invitation via a chat, a Join button will appear in the chat window once the meeting begins. You can click that to join directly from your conversation. Before you enter the meeting, Teams will give you a preview screen where you can choose your audio and video settings. You can decide to have your camera and microphone on or off. Once you're ready, click Join Now. Once you are in a Teams meeting, you will see a control bar at the top of your screen. This bar gives you access to all the key functions you need. Let's look at the most important controls. The two most fundamental controls are your camera and mic. To turn your camera on or off, simply click the camera icon. To mute or unmute your microphone, click the mic icon. When there is a line through the icon, it means that the function is off. Microsoft Teams also gives you powerful tools to control your video and how you see other participants. If your camera is on, you can change your background. Click the arrow next to the camera icon and go to More Video Effects and Settings. From here, you can choose to blur your background for privacy or select a professional virtual background image. To see who else is in the meeting, click on the People icon. This will open a panel on the right side showing a list of all attendees. To send a message to the group, click the Chat icon. This opens the meeting chat panel, where you can type messages, share links, or ask questions without interrupting the speaker. If you want to speak or ask a question, the best practice is to use the Raise Hand feature. When you click the icon, a hand image will appear next to your name, letting the host know you'd like to speak. To lower your hand, click the same icon again. You can also use the React menu to send live reactions. To find this, click on the React icon. A menu will appear, and you can choose reactions like, or applause. One of the most important functions in a meeting is sharing your content. In Teams, you can share your entire screen, a single window, or a presentation. To begin with, you should click the Share icon at the top of the screen to show the control bar. This will open a Share Content panel, and you will see the options as Screen, Window, and Tab. You can choose the best option for your presentation. If you plan to share a video or audio file, look for a toggle switch that says Include Computer Sound, and make sure to turn it on before you start sharing. Your sharing will appear on other participants' screens like this. When you are finished presenting, simply click the Stop Sharing button, which will be in the control bar, or near the red border at the top of your screen. This will return you to the main meeting view. Thank you for watching. In this tutorial, we have covered effective virtual meetings in Microsoft Teams. By mastering these simple tools, you can communicate professionally, collaborate effectively, and run your business meetings with confidence. We encourage you to explore all the other tutorials and resources available on the We Have the Power platform.